Hi, I'm Chris Haigh and this is the Fiddle channel. Today I'm going to play a beautiful gypsy jazz tune called Songe D'Autumne or Songe D'Autumne. Possibly the last tune to be played as the Titanic went down, but I'll tell you about that later. This tune was written back in 1908 by Archibald Joyce, and it was first recorded by the Orchestra Tzigane in 1931, which I suspect is how it got into the gypsy jazz repertoire. It's probably most famous because of the recording by Django Reinhardt in 1947 with Herbert Rostang on clarinet along with the rest of the band. And that's well worth listening to if you listen to no other version. And it's now a gypsy jazz standard and most gypsy jazz bands are going to know it. So let's go through the first part of the tune. So we're going up a kind of a C minor arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the first part. That's kind of the melody, the main part of the melody. It should really be played with as much vibrato as you've got and lots of sliding. That kind of thing. So you might want to do a first finger. That E flat is good with the third finger. Another slide up. And here there's a little run up you can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that's got a B natural. And then E flat. That little slide down is nice. Here you can do a double stop. Then it's into the second part of the melody with a little run down. And that's where the melody ends. But what usually happens is that then you will go around several times around the F minor, C minor, A flat, D, etc., that little 8-bar section, and improvise over that before going back to the melody. So let's do all of that with the backing. You've got quite a lot of freedom to alter various parts of this. For example, a lot of the first half could be played up an octave. And then I would bottle out and stay in the lower octave. Play quite rubato if you want. And then second half you can either play it quite swingy, or you could play it quite smooth. Now the chords are worth learning to follow in the second half, especially if you're going to do a solo. So for an F minor, if you put an A flat underneath it, that's quite nice. And sliding up into third position, we've now got A flat with a F above it. There's a E flat with a C below it. There's an E flat with a C above it. That's third position, and that's third position with the E string added. Now here we've got an A flat diminished, and if you wanted you could do, that's an A flat arpeggio, A flat diminished arpeggio, and then G7, which is almost the same, and you can treat both of those chords as the same chord. So either treat them both as A flat diminished, or as G7, rather than changing in the middle. And then C minor to C7, I think it's really important to get that E flat going up to E natural. And then up to the F for the F chord. So now, was it the last tune played on the Titanic? I'd always heard that it was Nearer My God to Thee, which, as you know, probably know, there was a band on the Titanic playing, and apparently they decided that they were going to keep on playing as the boat went down, as all true professionals would. And as I say, Nearer My God to Thee is the one that's usually said to be the final tune. But a Harold Bride, who was a survivor, in his memoirs said that Autumn was being played as the Titanic foundered. Now, it's assumed that this referred to Song of Autumn or Songe D'Autumne, which was in the White Star Line repertoire book. So the band definitely did know the tune, and of course it's absolutely possible that the foundering took more than one number to complete. So they could have played a Song of Autumn and Nearer My God to Thee before ending up underwater. So I like to think that this beautiful tune was indeed the one that the boat went down to. So I hope you enjoy this. If you want a copy of the dots, then do send me an email after you've subscribed, and I can send you a backing track if you become a Patreon of my fiddle channel. And here is the address. So I hope to see you again soon. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next time.